and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play a stick dice game with materials you probably have around your house. This game is fun and easy to play and is great for all ages. First, gather your materials. You'll need 6 sticks, popsicle sticks from your yard, toothpicks, or anything that is kind of flat and you can decorate one side of. I'm using big popsicle sticks. Next, you'll need markers, pens, crayons, or anything you want to use to decorate one side of each stick. Last, you'll need 10 or 12 counting sticks to keep score. You can use toothpicks or any small object. 10 pennies will work. I'm using toothpicks. Now that you've gathered your supplies, let's get started. Decorate one side of each stick. That's it! Now you're ready to play. Hold the stick dice in your hand and drop them on a flat surface. If they all land facing side up, decoration side up, or decoration side down, you get 2 points. If they land 3 decoration side up and 3 decoration side down, then you get 1 point. If they land any other way, you get 0 points. Take a turn and then pass the dice to your friend. She didn't get any points. Keep playing until all the counting sticks are gone. Whoever has the most points at the end is the winner.